Dear students, welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss the last topic of the motion chapter, uniform circular motion. When a body moves with a uniform speed along a circular path, then it is said to be in uniform circular motion. Okay? If we talk about the velocity of the object, in uniform circular motion, then velocity in magnitude remains constant. But the direction of velocity changes at every point. Suppose object is at here, then the direction of velocity will be along the tangent at that point. If the object is here, then the direction of velocity is along the tangent at that point. If object is here in uniform circular motion, then the direction of velocity will be along the tangent at that point. So the direction of velocity changes at every point and is along the tangent at that point. Now, if we talk about the acceleration of the particle, if we talk about the acceleration of the object in uniform circular motion, then the magnitude of acceleration remains constant. But the direction of acceleration changes. But the direction of the acceleration is always towards the center. If object is here, then the direction of acceleration will be towards the center, that is towards O. If object is here, then the direction of velocity will be along the tangent and the direction of acceleration will be towards the center. Here the direction of the velocity towards the tangent and direction of acceleration towards the center. Okay? Clear? Now, example. If a cyclist is moving in a circular track with a constant speed. If a cyclist is moving along a circular track with a constant speed, then this is the example of uniform circular motion. And another example, moon is orbiting around the earth. Okay? Now, consider an object having mass m moving along in a circular path having radius r, okay, and completes one revolution in time t. Then we know that velocity is equal to distance upon time. Distance, or you can say displacement. Velocity is equal to distance upon time. Now, when object's cover completes one revolution, that means equal to its circumference. Object covers distance which is equal to its circumference 2 pi r, and it takes t time to complete one revolution. That means v is equal to 2 pi r upon t. Okay, v is equal to 2 pi r upon t. This is the formula of uniform circular motion which we use to solve the numericals. Okay, so the topic is done, the chapter is completed. Now we will start numericals. Okay, thank you.